So Paula, you're making spring rolls,
Yes,
and what was the trouble the other day?
I couldn't separate the pastry.
You didn't throw the pastry against the wall in a rage, did you?
I did it in a rage, it went straight to the bin.
Do you think there were people throwing pastry at the wall all over the world last week
There may be.
after watching Jasmine's cooking show?
Could be.
I'm half joking. That would be a terrible thing. Alright, so today we're going to roll pastries.
Right. Oh, my husband can see me now.
Don't worry, he'll see you later.
And me. Oh yeah.
Corn flour in there with the water. Make it stick. Alright, so these are from Woolworths.
Yes, they are.
Great. We've never cooked with them before. The ones that we cooked on the show the other day are from Coles. And we've got another brand here from Spudshed. What's that called? Quality Food from Spudshed. So between the three of them, what's the name of that one? Trains. Alright. Beautiful. Well, this will be interesting. See how they compare.
Yeah, you do it.
Come on, Paul. Oh yeah, this one with that's what I mean.
Oh, it's a little bit stuck, is that?
Yeah. I don't think we knew that company.
Yeah, okay. That's good to know.
Yeah, maybe not this. You're right.
Bin it, yeah.
I said, why so hard?
Well, don't bin it yet, because we've got to try the next one. Maybe
The next
these,
one.
maybe the ones that we usually use are the only good ones out there.
Yeah. Okay, I never knew it too.
Okay.
Okay. I only knew the one. Oh.
It's better, isn't it?
Oh.
Happy?
Very happy.
Here they come. Hang on.
I did, kids. That's amazing.
Spring rolls. Tuck in, you guys.